gosh, you guys. Okay, so first of all, as you can see in the background, we have a bunch of reindeer arriving. We also have a baby bear, a baby polar bear, and look at our money. Look at it. Also, the guests are unhappy. What do you want? What do they want? I mean, why? Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, guys, so our guests normally would be super happy, except trash. Ah. So we have lots of trash and multiple overflowing bins, like a lot. Especially since we added to this, this used to be 3 buildings. Now it's this. Which made our guests happy, but now our poor caretakers, where are they? Caretakers, there we go. They're all, why are you unhappy? Oh, they want to be paid more, I think. Okay, we're actually going to train them up to help. Okay, so one of them, okay, so it's not going great for the caretakers. We're gonna hire another one so that everything's okay. But guys, look at our money. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's go check on how our, reindeer who are arriving again, or is it there? Yeah, okay, it is right. So there's Auntie, Perita, Marjot, Brigetta, Lepa, and that's it. So there should be 3 adults. That's incorrect. There should be, is Marja in here? Brigetta. Oh, Thomas isn't in here. I believe. Is Thomas being delivered? Let's check. Yes, okay, good. So there's, oh right, because there's 3 babies. And actually, all this talk of animals, actually, well, obviously this is Planet Zoo, but, oh, okay. I saw someone running, I was like, and there's someone over here, too. They're going the long way, but honestly, I think it would be easier if we just made them littles. Not a little, but just like a staff path. Whoa, okay, we don't want it that massive. If we made a staff path, if I can line this up correctly. Okay, whatever, we'll just have it go off from here. At least going a little bit of a shorter way. It's not super short, but it will work. Also, we're gonna turn this chunk. Okay, why is it wooden over here? There might be yeah, that might be part of the reason why the guests can't really see the reindeer. Okay, do we have, no, we just have normal glass because it doesn't cost as much. Okay, there we go. That'll help a tiny little bit. How is our trash situation? It's mostly right here. I think it's because we didn't have any trash cans around here. I added a couple in, but because, let's see, no, wrong thing. Oh, it's H, okay. Yeah, so it's right here. And so people are getting, like, negatively impacted, like, all over the place. And good, he is cleaning. Okay, so good job. And what I was saying, guys, is we're gonna let money go. And it's just the trash, so I guess we'll hire I think another... Okay, good. Look at our profit this year, guys. That's actually really good. Okay, we are going to hire another caretaker to help out around here because we really need the help. There we go. He's going straight to work. And what I was saying, guys, is on our previous Planet Zoo videos, Michelle Horowitz actually left a ton of name suggestions based off Disney movies for all of our animals. Also, are all of them... Oh, we can put you off contraception. Good, there's 4 adults, and where are your siblings? And Prita, Auntie, and here's Estery. Alright, nice. So everyone's in off contraception. We have our polar bears. And now let's get our doll sheep moved in. I think 3 animals for now is a good way to have it going. Okay. Let's see. Scrolling. Alright, here we go. We have James, Noah. Noah's actually just born. That was the one that was just born. Alright, then we have Waynette, Charlotte, and... there we go, Searless. And yeah, he's infertile. I think that's because he's on contraception. Okay, so. Let's see, they have no work zones right now. Good, we have all of those players. And so, Michelle Horowitz left name suggestions. So, we have Sitka, Kenai, Denali, Coda, Olaf, Kua, Pua, Hey. Oh, sorry, that says, excuse me, Ka, Pua, and Hey. So, I'm going to save some of those names for specific animals. So, like the doll sheep, Olaf is going to be the male, is going to be Searless, I believe he's currently called. And, over here, I got the idea for Sven, who's also from the same movie that Olaf is in. So, this is going to be Sven. So, Thomas is no longer Thomas. He is Sven, which I really love. So, thank you so much, Michelle Horowitz, for all those name suggestions. Also, oh, we got the 2 babies in there. Oh, no, that's Waynette. I don't believe she... Yeah, her only child is Noah. Noah, are you Noah? Yeah. Okay, so she just had Noah. Noah was literally just born. James has been alive for almost a year. Getting close. Getting there. Also, oh my gosh. Snowball. Where's Snowball? You have Timo. Oh, he's swimming. Okay, then let's go to Snowball. Okay. She's elder. No, she's not. She's not an elder. Okay, I'm pausing this because I really don't... I want to try and hold off Snowball's death for as long as we can. 35 years is their life expectancy. So she still has a lot of years left. But I really want her to live to see her new exhibit. Okay, but our zoo's slowly bouncing back. I think once we get to 40,000, that'd be really good. And we're going to slowly add... Ooh, you can see what time of day? That is useful. And we're going to slowly kind of bounce back. And you know what I really want? Is, really want a camera underwater. So, facilities, think it's in security. Security. Yes. Okay. Let's use this. Damn. Okay. Let's use this one. We're going to rotate. Alright. Whoa. It's a little close. Okay, if we put it like that, then, okay, let's see. It's not, these are actually really cheap. Okay, enter camera view. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, we're going to try not to break it this time. Okay. Okay, that's just that. Apply filter. Okay, we're not gonna break it. Let's see. Night vision. Does night vision help at all? So it's that. I think you can see a tiny bit better. Oh, we need to apply the filter. Huh. So this is full color, huh? You can definitely see better. And so I think that would be better for this camera. And we have 35,000. Nice. So I wonder, don't duplicate in advanced mode. Yeah, so I don't think there's a way just like to view all security cameras. I don't think, because that'd be really cool. Whoa, what is this? Sweet. So Wolf Caretaker Kit Kat is actually done researching polar bears. That reminds me, we gotta get them some enrichment. I feel like that whole filter is applied to me now. It might possibly be. Okay. We turn the filter off. Okay, I think that's actually a bug because we turn it back on and yeah, now we're like this. So good to know. We'll have to report that as a bug because I'm pretty sure the intention wasn't to have your whole screen do that. I think it was just to have, okay. Jeez, okay. And our zoom. Whoa, okay. Losing lots of money. Guests are unhappy. We're going to get, 1, 2. Whoa, this girl has pink hair. I kind of like that. 3. More people in. And we have 1,000 people. Wow. Okay. That's actually really cool. Also, see, I don't want, like, our security guard has an inefficient. Okay, let's train. I guess he does need to take a break sometimes though. So, you know what? We're going to hire a second security guard. So that we can have no crime for, how long is it? For 3 months. And, alright. So, once we get to 40,000, I will feel safe, safe working on this again. Which, you know, inspector? Alright. Where is the inspector? Can't get in here. The angle that I'm at. Okay. So she is going to want education, and I don't feel comfortable having that. So, oh, one of our polar bears is swimming. Enter camera view. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Oh, that's really cool. Look, you can hear it swimming. Wait, guys, I just had an idea. Instead of putting this all the way underwater, why don't we put it... Okay, I'll have to, like, do this perfectly. Let's see. Half underwater and half above water. I think that would work. Okay, now let's try. We need a little more up. Okay, now let's try. Now we need a little more down. Alright. We're gonna do this, guys. We're gonna figure out... Okay, I think that should be good. Okay, that's kind of cool. Oh! I don't know who this is, but... See, you can see, like, above and below. Which is kind of cool. It looks a little weird with the water like this, but I'm sure they'll tweak that. And look! Bears actually got new swimming animations, and they look pretty cool. So, who is that? Icicle! Who, yes, needs enrichment. We will work on that. Icicle, also, we have the filter on still. Going to fix that. Turn that filter off. Ah, much better. Look how much brighter that is. Alright. Habitat, we don't need that anymore. And let's get some... What is this? My goodness gracious. Okay, that's actually real... It's 4 polar bears. Okay, I'm going to save that. What is this? Okay, that's pretty cool. It's like a little lodge. I think we could actually use this, not for a shelter, but for building purposes. Alright, but let's filter it to species and we have to find P. Alright, polar bear, there we go. And enrichment. One of them went down. Yes, so now there's just high amounts of litter. Alright, enrichment items, block of frozen fish. I want to see them play with a soccer ball. They can have an underwater box feeder. I want to see this. Alright, large. Oh my gosh, they need a snowball. Tree forager. Wind chimes. Scratching tree. They can have scratching trees. Bamboo feeder. Okay. Are they happy now? Oh. Sorry, Snowball. Okay. Let's see. What was that? Yes. Enrichment is 100%. Okay, so now I wonder if they'll... Okay, so let's go into heat maps, habitat, traversable, staff traversable. Yeah, so orange means they can get it, I think. Yeah. So, walkable. Keepers can climb? Huh. I never knew that, actually. Okay, so we have a keeper coming so that our polar bears can be fed. Our reindeer are doing good. Let's see any other of those names. There's Sitka, Kenai, Denali, Coda. I feel like Coda should definitely be a wolf. Olaf, Kapua, and Hey Hey. So I think we're gonna save the rest of those names, but we do have. You don't need to be on contraceptives anymore. Olaf. There we go. You're not Searless anymore. You are Olaf. So we have Olaf. We have Waynette, Noah, Charlotte, and James. So, yeah, guys. Our money is going up and up. Oof. Okay, so some of that's from purchases. But yeah, guys, slowly, bit by bit, it's getting foggy, so it's kind of hard for you guys to see. We are, oh, it's actually going to snow. Yep, there we go. We are going to start building the Arctic section, and I really want everyone that's in the Arctic section to, I really love when it gets like this, to survive till then. So that's what we're going to be working on. Look at our little reindeer. Auntie, you are going to be, I like so many of these names. Okay, we're going to save the rest of the names that were suggested by, by Michelle Horowitz. Once again, thank you so much for all of those. I really appreciate your support. Look at this, guys. Okay, so we have where's Sven? There we go, Sven. And I'm not sure if I spelled it right. I'm pretty sure I did, but look at him. He has an official name now. And yeah, guys, so please keep giving me your suggestions on what I should add to the zoo. I always need animal name suggestions. And oh, look at our baby reindeer Snow. That's so cute. I don't know who that is, but that's absolutely adorable. So yeah, guys, be sure to check out KitKat. He just created a new tutorial channel, and he's always releasing new videos, especially on WolfQuest, so go check him out. That's Kit with a K and Cat with a C. I'll put a link in the video description so that you guys can go check him out. And other than that, we are slowly rebuilding ourselves from negative money when I thought we were going to have to move to a new zoo to this, to staying in the same zoo with baby reindeer who, geez, they're not afraid of the people at all, to baby reindeer and Sven and Olaf. So whoa, it's a little close, buddy. So please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue. Whoa, he can run fast, jeez. Whoa, he just yeeted that snowman. And join us as, like I said, whoa, that's a fence, as we rebuild our zoo. Well, not really rebuild, but try to expand and, you know, get out of our money pit. And yeah, guys, so Nature Wolf out.